so welcome back to the module, guys. Okay, so this time we will discuss the Amazon product detail page. Okay, so what we're going to understand is the important information you need on Amazon.com. Okay, so dito pupunta tayo sa product detail page and we will discuss everything about the Amazon.com. So ano ba yung kailangan yung information dito sa website? Okay, ano ba yung mga helpful na information dito sa ating Amazon.com website? Okay? Yan. Alright. So, syempre, okay, ang product detail page are the pages that buyers see when they search for items on Amazon. So, each product has its own page with detailed product information. For example, nandiyan yung exact product name, model number, offer price, product photograph, ASIN, product details, and more. And also the customer reviews. Okay, so I have here sample ng ating product detail page. Okay, and yan. So we will go to Amazon.com website. So ito yung sample ng ating product detail page. But, okay, so isa-isahin natin siya kung ano ba itong mga to. Okay, so let's go to Amazon.com. So ito si Amazon.com. Okay, so punta lang kayo sa browser nyo and then punta kayo sa Amazon.com. Okay, so itong part na to is, this is where you can change the zip code. So kung anong marketplace nyo. So let's say for example, punta tayo dito sa Beverly Hills. Okay, so Beverly Hills na. So apply natin. Okay, yan. So mag-iiba na. So this is how you change your marketplace. Okay. Yan. Alright. So this is the search page. Okay. Search page and then punta lang tayo sa search page. Hanap tayo ng sample na product. Okay. So let's say kitchen knife. Okay. Kitchen knife. Okay. So punta tayo sa kanyang product detail page. Okay. So ito ang ating product detail page. Okay. So isa-isahin natin yung parts. Okay. So as you can see, ito yung ating mga naka-bold na yan. That's gonna be our product title. Okay? Sinabi yung product title, yung naka-bold letters na yan, that's gonna be your product title. Okay? And then, this one, we have the brand storefront. Okay? Si Babish. Yan yung brand storefront. Every product na ang brand niya is Babish, dito nyo makikita. Sa brand storefront. So, yan. Naka-blue, naka-highlight na yan. Okay? Alright. Now, as you can see here, ito yung ating customer review ratings. Okay? Ang good customer review rating is 4. Yan, 4 to 5. Siyempre, na 5 is the perfect. But yan, acceptable lang 4. Okay? So, we have 2,233 feedbacks. Yan yung mga ratings ng product na to. Alright? Okay. Then, we have the price. Yan yung price natin. Okay? And then, this one is the vital info. Yan, vital information ng products. Okay? Or ng product. Okay? Yan. Okay, so on this side, okay, makikita natin yung main images. Yan, white background. Yan. Then we have the sub-images. Okay? Sub-images and we have the videos. Okay, so kung gusto nyo makita lahat ng laman yan, click nyo lang. And then makikita nyo kung ilan talaga lahat ng images. So dito meron tayong 8 images. Plus, meron tayong isang video. Okay? Yan, so 8 images and 1 video. Alright? Okay. So this part, right? This part is itong rectangular box na yan. This is what we call the buy box. Okay? This is what we call the buy box. Okay? Yan yung price, and then as you can see, meron siyang add to cart and buy now. Dapat is meron tayong laging buy box kasi pag wala tayong buy box, hindi tayo mabibilad. Okay? There will be a separate discussion kung ano ba yung mga requirements and eligibility ng buy box, and we will discuss that on the product research module. Okay? Kung ano yung importance and metrics that hit the buy box. Okay? Yan, basta yung buy now na yan, itong rectangular na to, okay? That's gonna be the buy box. Okay? Yan. And dito, sa ships from and sold by, dito makikita nyo yung, okay? Dito makikita nyo kung sino ang fulfillment. So, as you can see, ships from Amazon. Then dito, ito dapat is may storefront. So, hanap tayo ng iba. Okay? Pero dito is yung name ng store. So, hanap tayo ng iba. So, let's tayo ng iba para makita natin yung ibang part. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo yung storefront. Okay? So, alright. So, yan. Ito. Kita nyo? So, fulfillment niya is FBA since nakalagay dito ships from Amazon. And then itong Imarco, yan yung storefront. So, ang brand store, ito, Imarco store. So, dito lahat ng Imarco na brand. Pero dito sa storefront, so sa lahat ng binibenta ni Imarco. So, even though hindi Imarco brand, lahat dito nyo makikita. Okay, kung meron siyang generic na binibenta dito or hindi Imarco, yan. Perfect example yan, di ba? Bibenta siya ng Vestaware. Hindi naman Imarco yung brand. So, lahat is makikita nyo dito sa storefront. Okay? Yan. So, yung nakalimutan, storefront. Alright. Now, let's move on. So, pababa tayo. This is what you call the bullet points. Yan. Bullet points. These are the product key features and benefits. Yan. So, yun ang ating bullet points. Okay? Alright. Now, scroll down lang tayo and we will see this one. So, from the brand. Okay? So, pag may nakita kayong salitang from the brand, that's gonna be the brand story. Okay? So, sino-showcase niya dito yung product niya or yung brand niya. Okay? So, pinopromote niya dito sa brand story. Yan. Okay? Alright. Now, let's go to product description. Okay? So, product description naman, this is an example of A+ content. Okay? A+ content meaning meron siyang mga images or story ng kanyang product. This is an advanced product or advanced selling tools or advanced product description. So, meron tayong mga product description na pure text lang. Parang ganito lang siya. Okay? Ito, since branded, okay, makalimitan natin makikita mga A+ content na product description sa mga branded. Okay? Mga branded yan. Alright? Okay. Alright. Now, let's move, scroll down pa. So, there you go. We have the product information. Okay, product information, dito lahat ng information ng product as well as yung ating tinatawag na ASIN. Okay, ASIN is the Amazon Standard Identifier Number. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-product code ng ating product doon kay Amazon. So lahat ng product dito kay Amazon may sinusunod or may kanya-kanyang ASIN. Hindi yan pwedeng magkapareho. Okay, yan. It's gonna be the ASIN. Pwede siya makuha dito or dito sa ating address bar. Yan, itong address bar natin. Yan, pwede nyo makuha ang ASIN. So, let's say, product research kayo, kailangan nyo ng ASIN. Yan, dito nyo siya makuha. Okay? Then, we have here the best sellers rank or we also known as the BSR. So, pag tinanong ko kayo, anong BSR ng product na to? So, ito siya. Yan, the best sellers rank. Sa best seller rank, okay, or best sellers rank, dito nyo makikita ang correct categorization path. Okay? Remember, pag tinanong ko kayo saan makikita ang correct categorization path dito sa bestseller rank. Okay? Yan. And then, ito yung number niya, 2,186. So, meaning, marami na siyang nabenta. Okay? Ang behavior ng bestseller rank, guys, pag mas mababa ang number ng bestseller rank, ibig sabihin, mas maganda ang selling performance niya. Okay? Yan. Alright? Don't forget the bestseller rank. Okay, and then date first available, meron siya dito. Right? And then if we're going to go to customer reviews, makikita natin yung kabuuan ng kanyang mga feedback. Okay? Yan. Yan natin mga feedback niya. Okay? All right? So ito naman is what we call the customer question and answer, the buyer seller message. Okay, kung may nagtanong sa inyo, inquiry like sa customer service, ito siya. Dito nyo siya sasagutin. Okay? Yan. Alright? Then, the customer reviews, yan, kita nyo, pagka gusto natin ng makita yung mga negative review niya, puntahan lang natin. So, ayan, 1 star, 1 star, 2 stars, 2 stars. Okay? Yan. So, dyan nyo siya makikita. So, this is very important pagdating sa competitor analysis. Itong customer review. Okay? So, very helpful siya. Yan. Okay? So, alright. Most likely, that's it. So, itong mga to, kung nakita nyo na sponsor, they are the sponsored products. Ito yung mga nagra-run ng Amazon advertising. Okay? Or simply known as the Amazon PPC. Yan, yung mga nakalagay dyan na sponsored. Okay? And there you go. Okay? That completes our Amazon product detail page. Okay? So please, okay guys, make sure na kabisado, or hindi naman kabisado. Siyempre, you're getting used to it. But make sure na, yan, alam nyo kung ano yung mga name ng parts, alam nyo kung saan hahanapin yung information. Okay? And I'm gonna test you on the Checkpoint live session. Okay? So please, if you have any further question dito sa ating product detail page, okay? So park nyo lang yan, and then I'll see you on the live session. I will test your knowledge regarding dito sa product detail page. So please review and make sure to navigate well the ating product detail page. Okay? I'm gonna see you on the Checkpoint live session, and thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.